Hello guys, what's up? It is Captain Crocs Gaming, and right now I am building this guy. It's like a mini motorcycle. I'll show you how big it is. So yeah, this is me, and this is how big it is. It's just tiny. So you kind of need to break it up into tiny little bits. Just destroy it. So yeah, these are the parts you'll be needing right here. I'll be showing you in a few moments once I completely just obliterate this. So I'll organize them. Here you go. Here are all the pieces you will need. So first you need to grab this piece right here. Get this silver piece.
And said to tell you. Sorry, are you there?
Silver piece.
Okay, so
put it straight in the middle. Just like this. Then you get this. These. So you get these. So yeah, you put these on both ends. So it will look like this. Then you get this flat dude. Put it right here, just like that. You put this gray piece. It doesn't have to be gray. It could be any piece you want. It could be any color. And you have this. You get this right here, and you put it in here just like this. And last, get this piece, stick it on just like this. And if you would like, you could put these. You could put these little guys right here, just like this on each side. But I just chose not to, for a reason, just like to, because I can't find enough of them. It'll take me too long. I just want to make another video for you guys. I want you guys to be entertained instead of be bored all the day. And I also made this like a day ago. It's a little transformer, and so I'll show you how to transform him. You go like this, flip him just like this. You flip it down just like this. Like this. And then this. And then you have him. So that's it. I hope you like it. Good boy.